BJP star campaigner and leader Mithun Chakrabarti is currently being interrogated by Kolkata police over his alleged hate speech. Mithun has joined the probe virtually. FIR was lodged against him for using his film dialogues, which were quote-unquote inciting in nature. BJP leader and Bollywood star Mithun Chakrabarti is therefore being interrogated. He has joined the probe virtually. During the election campaign, it is alleged that he used few of his movie dialogues, which were provocative and insightful in nature. Owing to those speeches, one individual filed a complaint against him. In fact, he happens to belong to the film fraternity. That complaint was converted into an FIR. Mithun had approached the High Court to get the complaint squashed, but the court had asked him to cooperate in this inquiry. Let me go across to Tamal Saha joining us with more. So, Tamal, of course, once again, questions are going to be raised on whether Mithun is being targeted for making those speeches in an unfair manner, or was there actually something inflammable and, of course, unparliamentary or provocative in those speeches that has warranted him getting booked and an FIR being filed against him? What are the charges that were leveled against Mithun Chakrabarti?
Section 504, 505, 153A, 120B of IPC. Now, these are the sections invoked after an individual named Mrityunjay Pal had lodged a complaint for Mithun Chakrabarti having used his film dialogues during the election speech. For example, Marbo ekhane lash porbe shoshane, when translated in English, it means, if I hit you here, your body would fall inside the crematorium. Even though this is indeed a film dialogue of Mithun Chakrabarti from a very famous Bengali movie. However, the complainant had questioned as why did he specifically use dialogues which are inciting in nature, and why didn't he use or refer to some other dialogues, to which Mithun Chakrabarti has not really been able to respond or clarify much. The complaint, which was lodged before election and also after the results, was later on converted into FIR. Mithun Chakrabarti had moved to Calcutta High Court seeking the complaint be quashed. However, Calcutta High Court, dismissing his plea, had asked him to join the probe and join the investigation. But because of COVID norms, COVID situation prevailing, he was given the leeway to join the investigation virtually, and that's exactly what is happening. He has joined the probe virtually. The matter is with Maniktola Police, which comes under Kolkata Police, and he has joined the probe virtually at 10 in the morning, and it's still on.
Okay, it's still on, so we will wait to get more inputs on that. Tamal, thank you so much for updating us.